A normal can whose the father was hemophilic marry a woman whose father was hemophilic. They have their first child as a daughter would be the chance of that would be 50%. Thalassemia beta is located on 11th chromosome. Choose the sex influence traits pattern blindness. Clotting factors 8 is absent in hemophilia A. Pedigree analysis is used for study of inheritance with arrangement of meeting is not possible. Study of sex linkage inheritance of male. Study of Mendelian disorder of man. Choose the correct statement regarding the hemophilia. It is a sex link. It is a dominant in male. Choose the wrong statement. Mendel retardation is cannot the effect of saline uric acid. Messiah. Thalassemia is a equivalent problem. Sickle cell anemia present person cell abnormal HB. Calcium fiber are quantitative. Which of the following cannot be detected in the developing fetus by amniotic? Is jaundice. Which Mendelian idea is detected by a cross in which the F1 generation resemble both the parent codominance. If both parents are carried the thalassemia, which is an autosomal recessive disorder, what are the chances of progeny resulting the ineffective child? 25%. A normal female with the Turner syndrome has a one additional X chromosome. Exhibit male character is able to produce children. H has 45 chromosome with X naught. Which of the following cannot be expected on the basis of Mendel law of dominance? It explains a formation of functional enzyme by a dominant allele. When heterozygous yellow round seed plants and self-fertilize, the frequency of occur in the genotypic among the offspring is 2:16. A person homozygous for autosomal look A and B and heterozygous for a gene P shall produce how many type of gametes are represent of these loci? 2 type. Experimental proof of chromosome theory of inheritance is given by किसके थ्रू दी गई थी? T.H. Morgan. The nucleus structure observed a hankling in a 50% of a sperm in the testes of insert with the termed X body. First artificial mutation was indeed in Drosophila. Hemophilic person marries a girl having a no history of a disease in her pedigree. What is the chance of that hemophiliac child can be born then? 0%. क्योंकि जब वो हमेशा से नहीं है तो क्या फ़ायदा उसका? तो आई कैसे म्यूटेशन उसमें कुछ भी. Thank you for all. This is the genetics all MCQs questions. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फॉलो. थैंक यू.